All right, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset the oil maintenance light on a smart car 4.2 Passion. Very simple. This is all for all the smart cars. Make sure that the door's closed. If not, it won't work because it'll reset in that process. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And we'll go ahead and start this video after the intro. All right, so first things first, make sure your key's in the ignition. Then the button that we're going to be messing with is going to be this guy right here. As you can see, let me show you. My maintenance light is at 7,700. You can see that right there. Okay, so we're going to reset that. Every time we reset it, it's going to go down to 10,000 miles. All right, so we need to go ahead and put the key in the on position. So press this button twice. And then you're going to put the key in the on position. And then start it while holding this. So while you're holding this button, there you go. You see how that resetted? So I'm going to show you what I did. So during that process, it's a little bit hard to do it with one hand. So basically put the key on the on position, press this button twice, turn off the key, and then you're going to press and hold this button and then start the car. So start the car like that. Here, let me do it just so you see it right. So we're gonna go ahead and just do this. So put the key in the on position, press the button, push it off, press and hold the button, and now start the car. You need to make sure you see 2 wrenches. If you don't see 2 wrenches, you didn't do the first part right. So now it's gonna be resetting. So as soon as it'll reset back to the miles. Give it a couple seconds since we already reset it. See how right there reset it? And then we're gonna go back and then so forth. You're gonna hold it up to 10 to 15 seconds and then you're pretty much all set and done. If this video helped you out, again, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future, and thanks for watching.